Fix Instagram login error. In this video guys, I will talk about and show you how to fix this on your Instagram. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. Then after this, go and open apps. As you see here, all the applications that you have on your phone, so you will search only for Instagram. As you see this Instagram, click on it and then go to storage. Click on clear data, click OK, and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And now what's next? The last thing is to go into Play Store and update your Instagram. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.